Want to save 25% off MSRP or more on a new motorhome? Then visit MHSRV.com.
The sounds of laughter, smiles on their face, and this trip just started. Yeah, this is going to be an unforgettable summer. This is why we're here. Let the 2020 Windsport bring a smile to your face. When you can spend time like this, you need to take advantage of the moment. That's the beauty of the Windsport. You can spend the entire day doing all those things you love together, and you are never more than a few steps from your new address. The Windsport shows off some incredible floor plans, each with their own touches and personalities. The expanding sofa is a wonderful place that says, "Welcome home." This is the spot everyone can gather around and talk about their favorite part of the day. You have the option of reclining back and putting your feet up with the home theater seating. The captain's chair swivel, and this table is perfect for coffee and breakfast while your action camera gets prepped for a busy day with the outlets built into the flip-out workstation. The Dream Dinette is always there for you, no matter what you need, from a roomy place to eat or simply a comfortable place to sit and catch up over a drink. When it's time to wind it down for the day, quickly and easily make the sofas and the booth into beds, or lower the overhead bunk with Rapid Camp Plus. With Rapid Camp Plus, from your phone or tablet, simply connect via Bluetooth to the app, and you can monitor your power and tank levels, put out your wall slides, set your auto gen start, and control power anywhere from inside or outside the coach. You also have the full-color touchscreen and remote panels. The Windsport makes sure you have entertainment when you need to stay in on those rainy days. You have a TV with Blu-ray player for movies anytime. Or set up your own safe, secure internet connection with the WineGuard Connect 2.0 Wi-Fi extender and 4G hotspot. It also serves as the TV and FM radio antenna, and it runs with the Thor Motor Coach app so you can stay connected on all your devices. Heading into the kitchen in the Windsport is another way to make everyone on board, even the chef, smile. You'll find solid surface kitchen countertops, a double bowl stainless steel sink with cover. You have a 3-burner gas cooktop with glass cover. On some models, a residential fridge, you have a microwave, and you can never have enough cabinets. The Windsport comes in bath-and-a-half floor plans, so everyone has the space and privacy they need. In every bathroom, you have a place for extra towels, counter space around your stainless steel sink, and a shower with glass door and skylight. In the bedroom, you know you are going to get a great night's sleep, as it's a king-size bed on every Windsport. Close at hand, USB and 12-volt outlets in the nightstand. The bedroom also has a TV and large closets. The Windsport is also prepped for a stackable washer and dryer. Here's another little trick the Windsport likes to show off on the bunkhouse model. With their own TVs, the bunks are like a little hideaway, but they make into a large closet, so grabbing your clothes in the morning is never a hassle. Now that you're dressed, head out early and prep for the day. Get the firewood stacked for s'mores later tonight. Pull up a few chairs in front of the TV on a swivel with soundbar. Maybe put out the power patio. Grab your supplies from the large storage base and grill something up using the exterior propane connection. Then put your leftovers in the fridge in the exterior kitchen. As enjoyable as spending time in the Windsport is, driving one also makes you grin from ear to ear. The Ford F53 Triton V10 with 320 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque has the power to take you somewhere unforgettable. The bird's eye window is a great touch. There's an 8,000-pound hitch out back, and the Windsport is prepped for solar. In the cockpit, the 10-inch touchscreen radio has navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM radio, and is your rear view and side view camera monitors integrated into your heated remote mirrors. Always within reach, your dash fans, sunshade. You can even fire up the generator from here. Right above your one-touch leveling system, a USB port to keep your phone charged. So snap a selfie, send it to your friends, there is no way they are going to miss the smile on your face. This is the 2020 Windsport from Thor Motor Coach. Find the Windsport floor plan made to fit you at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?